owner-operators to know how to fix common mechanical issues they may face while out on the road. One problem that pops up frequently is the need to clean out the diesel particulate filter. Most of the time, your truck will do this automatically. Sometimes, drivers will need to activate the process themselves. In this video, we'll share our 5-step guide on how to regen a semi-truck. Regeneration, also known as a DPF regen, is a self-cleaning process that happens when soot builds up in a truck's diesel particulate filter, or DPF, and needs to be cleaned or regenerated. This process ensures that soot is properly filtered, which will help maintain maximum engine performance. There are 2 main reasons you may need to do a manual regen. You may need to do a manual regen if you're doing a lot of driving around town with light loads, or you've had periods of long idle. Your diesel engine will always try and do an automatic regen if it can. If it can't, you might have to stop and do a manual one. When the DPF light goes on your dashboard, you'll likely need to do a manual regen. That light means your truck hasn't been able to do an automatic regen while you've been driving. If the DPF light starts flashing, you need to do a regen as soon as possible. Pull over and park in a safe location to start the regen. Avoid parking near fuel pumps or over surfaces that can catch fire, like dry grass. Blacktop and gravel surfaces are preferred. Once you're safely parked, set your gear shift to neutral and engage your parking brake. Turn off cruise control and the Jake brake. Avoid touching the foot pedals, as this will stop the regen process. Your engine temperature needs to be at operating temp in order to do a regen. How you activate the regen cycle varies by truck make and model. Some trucks may have a 2 or 3 position regen switch, which are mounted on the dash, that can be flipped or held down to start the regen process. Most newer truck models, like the Freightliner Cascadia, can initiate the process through the dash switches on the home screen. Once the regen begins, the engine will automatically increase as high as 1200 RPM to remove moisture and hydrocarbon deposits from the DPF. A typical regen can take anywhere from 15 minutes to 1 hour. That time depends on the engine type, the amount of buildup, and the type of regen. When the regen is finished, the RPM comes back down. The DPF light and all other dash warnings will turn off. The engine should go back to its normal idle, allowing you to safely get back on the road. We hope this video gave you a better idea on how to do a parked regen. SFI has engineers who specialize in helping clients with all sorts of maintenance issues. We also offer 24/7 emergency roadside assistance. Check us out online at sfitrucks.com or give us a call at 800-521-5859.